Hello viewer, Bert Royale here again with one of his tales from the Toy Shed videos. Now, what do you make of this? Eh? Now, it just looks like an innocent red little car. Lovely bonnet action there, look. Oh, let me pick it up. Bonnet action. There, can you see there? Look at all that detail in there. Lovely. Look, soft top. Go round there. See the back there. Now you see that little F there. That's what gave it away. Because this is a Corgi Mercury Cougar car. Yeah. But what's special about this one is it's an 007 car. Yes, yes. And this is from the movie OHMSS, which, for those of you who know, stands for On Her Majesty's Secret Service. Yeah. And this, of course, was the only 007 movie to star George Lazenby. Yeah. And this in the movie was driven by Diana Rigg. Or should I say, of course, Dame Diana Rigg. Yeah. Now, this isn't one of the earlier Corgi rockets, I hasten to add, but I think that this was a reissue in the mid-2000s. Again, I'll check with Mr. Star Wars, but I'm pretty sure on that one. Sadly, no figures of Dame Diana or George Lazenby, but a beautiful little car. Now, I picked this up in our local little toy shop for a couple of pounds. That was about all, really. I think it was, down the back. But there we go. Mercury Cougar from James Bond. Yeah, as I say, OHMSS. Lovely little car. Keep your eyes out for one of them, viewer, because that's an absolute belter. Lovely. Thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe to my channel.